In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Payoneer with Shopify in Bangladesh, step by step. #Shopify/Payoneer@payment. Let's get started inside your Shopify admin. Sign in on your computer so you have full access, and make sure you're using an account with permission to manage payments. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is where all your store's back-end preferences live, including your payment options. Inside Settings, click Payments. The Payments page is your control center for accepting money on your store. Since Shopify Payments isn't available in Bangladesh, we'll use a third-party provider, and in this walkthrough that provider is Payoneer Checkout. On the Payments page, choose the option to add a provider. You may see a section labeled Third-Party Providers, or a button that says Choose a Provider. Click that to open the catalog of supported gateways for your region. In the Providers area, you'll see a list, and sometimes a highlighted link or category to browse. Use the search field to type Payoneer if it's available, or scroll until you find the Payoneer options shown for your country. Select Payoneer Checkout Native Cards. This is Payoneer's native card processing integration for Shopify. Double-check that it indicates availability for Bangladesh. When you're ready, click Install to begin adding it to your store. Shopify will show you a permissions screen. Review what access the app needs so it can process payments and sync order information. Then confirm by clicking Install Again. This completes the app installation and returns you to your payment settings. You should now see Payoneer Checkout listed among your active or available providers. Click Manage Account. This opens a secure Payoneer page where you'll finalize your connection and configure your payout details. On the Payoneer Checkout site, choose the Freelancers option to proceed with onboarding tailored to individual sellers and service providers. The interface may ask you to sign in to your existing Payoneer account or guide you through connecting one. Have your business details ready, things like your store URL, address, and verification documents, so the process goes smoothly. Once Payoneer confirms your information and the connection is complete, return to Shopify and make sure Payoneer Checkout appears as enabled in your payment settings. If you see any prompts to activate or save, do that now. That's it. You've connected Payoneer with Shopify in Bangladesh using Payoneer Checkout native cards. Keep an eye on your first few orders to ensure payments are captured and payouts are scheduled correctly, and you'll be ready